Look what we got today in the middle of a windstorm. My husband was out riding the tractor and saw this swarm up at the edge. It's so far up I wouldn't be able to reach it. But we went out and put a nuke behind them with some lemongrass, so hopefully they will smell it and go over there. That's where they swarmed last year. A little early this year. Today's the 30th. I didn't think they would be coming this soon. Last year was May. So, well, all we can do is hope for the best in 40, 50 mile an hour winds. So we don't want to tick them off, but man, that is a big, big swarm. And there's no way I can reach it. And it's so windy. See it? Oh my gosh, look. I don't even know how they're holding on up there. That is amazing. Well, hopefully if they make it through the night, they can swarm over there to that nuke I put up in the pine with the lemongrass and honey and 2 frames. So, well, you never know what your day's gonna do. All right, well, say a prayer. Hopefully they'll get out of this wind and get into that nuke. There's nothing I can do. It's too far up. Excuse me. All right, Wanda here at GNRB Farm Homestead. Okay, hang in there. The wind's gonna be dying down sometime. All right, get out and check your bees. The rest of them are in, so they don't see